Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel to see my hair transplant journey. This video is to show you the update of month 5. So I wrote down a few of the major questions that the people keep me asking, and I think I have all you covered. So let's start from the first one. Before we're gonna start, actually, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe so you will be notified each time I upload a video. Thank you very much. Right, the first question is, everybody say, Enny, why you did the procedure? Well, I live in Ireland. I did the procedure at the Beacon Hair Restoration, which is in Sandyford. They do an extraction from the donor area, which is from the back of your head, and they're gonna implant all the graft right to the front. And second question, they ask me how many graft I did put on my forehead. Well, has been 1,400 graft I did implant on my hairline. How long it took? For me, it took 7 hours. It could have taken maybe half an hour or less, but because I'm a very fuss, so what I did, at the end, they allow me, for the first line on my hairline, they allow me, like, you know, to check the mirror and say, yes, I like this way. Even if we already draw the line at the beginning, but at the end, I want to be that part of it, like. For the people that they are new on my channel, I just want to tell you something. I've been in the barbering industry for the last 30 years. So I'm working in a barber shop on a daily basis, and I always look myself on the mirror, so you can understand how fuss I am about my hairline and my hair. So that was one thing that it took maybe an extra half an hour. But I have to be honest, all the team at the Hair Beacon Restoration, they are very good, they are very friendly, and they make you feel at home, and you know, they will cover all your needs. Number 4, pain. Well, I have to be honest. I am a person, if you pinch me, I will feel a pain. After 3-4 seconds you pinch me, I will scream, ah! So the pain that I felt is when they put the anesthetic. So before they start everything, they started the extraction, they put an anesthetic. You know, when you go to the dentist, they put the anesthetic, that part. I have to be honest, they did, I think, 4 or 5 injection of anesthetic. I felt, not the needle, I felt like the when the liquid went inside, like it was a little bit stinged. But then as soon the head went numb, they started the extraction. For the 3-4 hours, I felt anything at all. Then I had food, and then before the implantation, they're gonna put a little bit more injection, like for the anesthetic. I have to be honest, that one I didn't feel at all. Well, it was everything numb. Seems like I was wearing an helmet, so I couldn't feel. Actually, when they implant the hair, I was a little bit annoyed in a way, like, you know, I was waiting this hair transplant for the last 2 years, and so when I arrived, then they were implanting my hair, like, I wanted to feel at least something on the implant. I didn't want to feel the injection, but I want to feel actually the implantation, like, of the hair, like, and I couldn't feel. So anyway, I had my phone, I was doing like a little bit selfie and talk with the family. I was very excited, so I could just see the implant, like, that was amazing. So pain, I only felt pain like maybe for 10 seconds on the first injection of the anesthetic, and then after that, nothing. Did I feel pain after? No. They gave me some tablet. I don't remember now what they gave. I have to be honest, like, I still have the paper. Maybe they give me eyebrow fan, something to take at home as well. I remember I took tablet for 3 days. I don't remember exactly what I took. So I have the paper. I'm gonna do another video where I'm gonna cover, like, the post-operation. I'm seeing a lot of my customer, a lot of my friends that I refer to the clinic, and each of them, they have different outcome. Some of them, they didn't feel that anesthetic at all, and that was like, are you serious? You didn't feel? That is the part that I felt. They didn't. So it's subjective to all different people. they feel a different type of pain. They don't, maybe on different area. I was talking with another guy, I don't mention the name. He didn't feel the injection here at the beginning. He felt that one like, after food. So I was like, wow, really? After the operation, sleeping. Travel pill for 3 days. And sleep on my back. I have to be honest. The first evening when I went home, I slept on the couch. I was so excited. I prepared food for myself, and I had food that evening. I couldn't stop to watch myself on the mirror, making picture, video, send to my family, to friends, to everybody. I think I arrived at home. I left the clinic around 10 o'clock something, 10 p.m. So by the time I arrived at home and I had to leave before, it was around 11 p.m. But I couldn't sleep as the joy that I had, because I will show you a picture here now of I was like, I did all this area. So bolt, and then already see the post operation that it was no hair that I couldn't see yet. So it was only like, kind of the scabs and all the red and a little bit of blood. That already gave me an idea of my hairline. I already, rather than see like, the scalp and the skin, I could see like these other things, like these are the shadow. So I slept that night on the couch. Second night, I went to sleep in the bed. I put pillow beside me, left and right, and I stayed as much I could on my back. It's a part of the process that you don't really care about, if you know what I mean. It doesn't bother you at all, because you are bored in that part of your head, and you want that things to succeed. So the sleeping 2-3 nights differently of the way you sleep on the usual, who cares? So that's what I did. And actually, rather than sleep 3 days on my back, I sleep over a week on my back, because I want to make sure that for what I wanted through, like money wise, time wise, and all the time that I was waiting, I want to make sure that, because what happened, the reason why you sleep on the back is because the anesthetic make you can swallow a bit, and then so if you stay on your back, all the anesthetic is just gonna go down in your face, and then go your nose, and then go your lips, and then it will disappear. It take about a week anyway, that process. Some people they swallow more, some people they swallow less, and this is another thing is why you need to choose the right clinic to go for the hair transplant. It's not just the result, is everything. Is from bikini, is the type of hairline, the type of extraction. I will do another video to cover all this topic. So that week of sleep, anyway, I enjoyed, believe me. And I only took 1 day off from working, if you know what I mean. Usually people say, oh, take 2 weeks off, take 3 weeks off. I only took 1 day off. So after 2 days, I was already in my barber shop working from the morning to the evening. I was working a lot. And sleeping was good. Another question, they ask me if I am happy. Wow, you can see, of course I'm happy. Very, very, very happy. I should have done this one earlier. I'm 42 years old now. Well, I will be 43 at the end of the month. And my hair loss started like, in my 20s. But then what happened from when I was 35 up to 40, it accelerates, which was very strange in my opinion. Because that is the time when it starts to slow down. Anyway, instead my one I seen picture when I was 35 up to 40, why accelerate in no time? And I have to be honest, maybe it wasn't just an alopecia androgenica. I think it was the stress effect a lot. That 5 years of my life, I was on the go. I was building a new business and new relationship, a lot of things like, and a lot of enjoyment, a lot of party, a lot of session. So I think all that affect, my hair loss acceleration. By saying this, yes, I'm very happy. I should have done earlier, because before I did my hair transplant, I used to cover from left to right. I used to have like long hair, like, you know, on the left and right side. I used to cover everything and put a lot of spray, but then it looked a little bit very awkward. For me, it was good. I was fine. I was confident, but I have to be honest. Now looking back, it wasn't that great. This is great. That's it for month 5. It's different from month 4, from month 3 and 2 and on. I'm gonna put a little bit picture up just to show like what it was from month 0 up to now. Very happy. You can see it's still a lot that they need to grow. I still have a bit of difference from one side to the other. Like if you see this side is more longer than this other one, so it's still like, you know, small one that they still coming out, believe it or not. So me, I am already happy even if we stop now, but I still have another 7 months of growing, so 7 months to coming out, which, so I'm very enthusiastic, I'm very happy, highly recommend. And you know, if you want any advice, you can contact me in private. The guy from the clinic, Hair Beacon Restoration, they're a friend of mine, and now we collaborated together, and I'm gonna put a link below. And if you don't want to contact me, you can contact them direct. Tell my name, you're gonna claim a discount. All right, thank you very much, and comment anything that you would like to hear for the next month. If you have any question, please come forward, and I'll be happy to answer. Then again, if you want to subscribe to my channel, every month I give an update of my hair transplant. Thank you very much. Bye bye. I hope that you enjoyed. Thank you. Love you all.